All right, who do we have here today?
Jonathan.
Jonathan, what are you doing?
I'm skydiving for the first time.
Jumping out of airplanes with
Yes.
strangers. You've done this before.
I'm
A little lower to the ground though.
Static line.
We're gonna get some free fall today. You excited about that?
Very excited.
Any last words, final comments, confessions, in case we don't make it to your next birthday?
Nope, taking my secrets to the grave.
For me, it's always the same. Computer, tablet, phone, burn it all, bury it in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. Let's go rock a skydive and have some fun. High five. Here we go. Yeah. Woo. Here we go, guys. Ready to get in, get out of this thing? Oh, yeah. Let's have some fun. Whichever one you want, go 360. Yeah. Woo. What do you think of that?
Oh, that was a rush.
20 years later, had fun?
Yeah.
Next time I'll let you open the parachute, okay?
All right.
You did great, man.
Yeah.
High five. Come out and see me again. Skydive Colorado Springs. Woo!